So this trip has been an insane roller coaster basically. I lost my bag, I broke my nail, we had long ass shoot days, jumped on a trampoline with extensions on. Insanity. So yeah, it's been fun, very tiring but also very exciting and very fun so far. So that excitement gives you that adrenaline. It's been good. It's really great experience. Since morning, but it's okay. Welcome, wishing you loads of luck. Best wishes, Team Pat. Why are you using these brushes? Why aren't you using my brushes? Soft, right?
Yeah. You liking it?
I'm loving it.
So you can just feel.
These were the ones that I wanted.
Action! See, everyone is so happy.
Karan Johar, call me. Actually, I don't know how to smile when I say smile. Again, guys, chop chop. I've tried. I think I have. My hands are shaking, I'm sweating.
Open out.
I'm so nervousness. I know the whole thing is fine. So then I fake it. Problem solved. You're going?
No.
Oh.
Just say I'm going to get ready.
Switch it on.
Yeah, now I feel confident after talking to her.
Too much. Family dynamics.
Family dynamics, they said. Back up!
And that was the last look. We are done. I know all you need is my brush set, but all I need at this point is food and good sleep. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much. Mwah.